What do you got to say?
Why did chicken cross the road?
To get to the other side?
No,
Why?
get to the Chinese day.
Chinese newspaper?
Yeah.
Elsa?
Yes.
Why did the chicken cross the road?
Why did the Chinese chicken cross the road? It's because he wanted to get to the other side.
He wanted to get the Chinese newspaper.
He wanted to get the Chinese newspaper. There was a Chinese chicken. Was it Chinese chicken? This guy's getting tired. You getting hungry, Icy?
He looks tired.